Plants seem quiet and harmless, sitting still in the sunlight. But the plant kingdom is hiding some of the strangest science on the planet, and once you hear these facts, you'll never look at a garden the same way again. Let's start with something in your kitchen right now. Bananas are actually slightly radioactive. They're rich in potassium, and a tiny fraction of that potassium is the radioactive isotope potassium-40. It's so harmless that scientists even invented a joke unit called the banana equivalent dose, just to put radiation exposure into perspective. You'd need to eat about 10 million bananas at once for it to be dangerous. Next, let's talk speed. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on Earth, and some species can grow up to 35 inches in a single day. That's nearly an inch and a half every hour, fast enough that if you sat and watched closely, you could actually see it move. Then there's the corpse flower, or Titanarum, which blooms only once every several years and releases a smell scientists compare to rotting flesh. It does this on purpose, to attract flies and beetles that normally feed on dead animals, tricking them into pollinating it instead. Here's one that feels like science fiction. The Venus flytrap can actually count. Its trigger hairs need to be touched twice within about 20 seconds before the trap snaps shut, a safeguard so it doesn't waste energy closing on raindrops or debris. Count wrong, and the trap stays open. Beneath the forest floor, trees are having entire conversations. Scientists call it the Wood Wide Web, a vast network of fungal threads connecting tree roots underground. Through this network, trees can share nutrients, send warning signals about insect attacks, and even support struggling seedlings, sometimes feeding a shaded sapling that can't yet make enough of its own food. Not every plant plays nice, though. The strangler fig starts life as a seed dropped high in a host tree's branches by a bird. It sends roots snaking down to the ground and slowly wraps around its host, eventually strangling it completely, leaving a hollow lattice of fig roots standing where the original tree used to be. And finally, dandelion seeds are basically tiny natural parachutes. Each seed is attached to a fluffy structure that creates a stable ring of air above it, allowing wind to carry it up to several miles from where it started, letting a single plant colonize fields far beyond its own backyard. From radioactive fruit to underground forests secretly texting each other, plants are running some of the most sophisticated biology on the planet, they just do it in slow motion. If you enjoyed these facts, subscribe for more, because there's a lot more strange science growing right outside your window.